So I just gave Arabella her first bath. It was pretty traumatic. She was not a fan. Where you know she's running around. Arabella, come here, baby. Hey guys, good morning or really good afternoon. I'm sorry. We had a rough night last night. Arabella, she cried on and off all night for hours. And so I was up with her. Yes, wasn't it, little baby? Yes, tell them what you did. Say, I cried all night long and made my mommy get up and take care of me. Mm-hmm. Yes, you're so sweet. Oh my goodness, so I'm tired. So today we're gonna maybe try some new things tonight to hopefully help. I don't know. I'll let you know how it goes. Well, here's the thing. We have a puppy pad in there. And so she's supposed to, if she needs to go potty, go on the puppy pad. But I don't know if she knows that. And so I'm starting to wonder, maybe she's crying because she needs to go potty. And so I think what we're going to do is we're actually going to get up and just take her outside and just deal with it. Yes, in the middle of the night. And maybe that'll help her calm down and maybe she'll go to, like, back to sleep a lot faster. And then the other thing is she naps all the time. And so I think she's been napping too late in the evenings. And so I think we're going to try to stop that from happening. And keep her awake. Yes, I know. All I talk about this dog, but it's a big deal. Like, we added a member to our family. I am excited. I ordered a new study Bible. My old Bible is held together by packing tape. As you can clearly see. It's it. Look at that. The whole, like, sealer's coming off. I mean, I've had it for, like, 8 years. So, it's been a good Bible. It got me all through college and the first part of us being married and everything, but... Oh, and I like wrote a ton in it. I don't think I'm going to do that with my next one. But it's just like some pages are so marked up. It's hard for me even to like read some of the writing. I just ordered a new one. I'm so excited. It's like a specially made Bible for women. And so it has like questions in it and like word studies and all kinds of stuff. And it had really good reviews. So I'm really excited to get it. Like, pet my belly, Mommy. Pet my belly. Oh my goodness, you are rotten. You are spoiled rotten already. So I just gave Arabella her first bath. It was pretty traumatic. She was not a fan. Where you know she's running around. Arabella, come here, baby. Gosh. Angela never gave her one before she got here. She bathed all the other puppies. Yeah, not Miss Arabella. Come here, baby. She did not like it. Okay, I'm gonna go get her. Poor baby. Oh, our disaster of a room. This shows how much more comfortable I'm getting with vlogging, though. The fact that I'm even showing this, it's bad. But
So,
we
do
did.
you want me to give a tour of our...
No. Well, most of this is laundry. I have a laundry situation going.
And some leftover from our
Yes,
vacation.
a lot of this stuff I just need to put it away. Like, they're empty. But I just haven't done it. I'm working on it. We got the kitchen cleaned up pretty much, right, honey?
Yep.
John,
I did that.
Yes, I did take the credit. You were really nice. I'm sorry. I did not know how tiring having a puppy would be. Because it's like, part of it is like, I don't want to go and do things while she's sleeping. And she sleeps all the time. Because
She's sleeping right now.
yeah. Oh, she's so cute. She's really out. Normally, as soon as I start doing things, she gets up. Oh, she's so sweet. Is she supposed to be asleep? Or yeah. Is she supposed to be asleep, honey?
No.
Yeah. But I can't wake her up. She like refused. She's very stubborn. She's like her mommy and her daddy. More her daddy. Yes, you. You're so cute. Okay, tell them about your day.
Well, my day was boring. Work. So, what else? No, just kidding. Now some new stuff came up that we're having more meetings. Meetings are fun. Try one. No. But trying to catch up from my week gone. Which is, emails. People need to ask you things and it piles up. All that fun stuff. So, yep. And then the rest of the week is pretty busy for me at work too. So, and I believe I had to stay later on Friday.
Oh, you
Not
didn't
late,
even tell me that.
but yes. Oh, Arabella is up.
Yep. She probably should go out. You want to take her potty?
It's gonna be hard for me to do the end vlog.
Yes, I'll take her potty. Here, you can vlog while we take her potty. Hi, baby.
Here's our bell system that we
yes,
use.
here's how we do it. Okay, Arabella, you want to go outside? Here, ring the bell. Girl! And so we teach her. Oh, look, and she's getting better. On this side. Yeah, she used to go like back behind there. Oh, I have to go out first. That's right. She can't possibly go outside by herself. She's a little Miss Prima Donna. All right, come on, doll. Come on. Okay, she's done. I hope. Nobody saw her pee. I had to tell Jonathan how to hold the camera. Oh, this is our lovely porch area. We've never vlogged this.
Yep, I don't know how much you'll be able to see,
Yeah.
but nice and closed.
Yep, it's nice. I like it out here. Oh, she's licking my toes. Tickles. Okay, princess. You're such a good girl. Oh, I love you. Mommy loves you so much. I've already become her mommy. She follows me around and she's so cute, so sweet. See? Look. I love her. I love her. Oh, she's so tired. Why are you so tired?
What have you been doing today with her?
Well, we played.
Running miles.
She did not like that bath. She ran around like a psycho baby. You're a psycho baby, yes. Oh, your mommy's so crazy, baby. Do we look alike? Does she look like me? People say they look like their dogs. Look how cute she is. Look how cute her face is.
She's sleepy, I can tell.
I know. She's like, Mommy, quit it. Quit showing me off to the camera. You don't like it. Oh, you don't pet her. Oh, yes, but your work. So just meetings and catching up.
Yes. Meetings and catching up.
Well, and I wanted to play a game with you maybe tonight or something, but house.
Too tired.
Yes.
And we might have company tomorrow.
Oh yeah, my family might be coming up because my little sister, who we just saw, is in town. It's kind of funny. But she wanted to come in to see the kittens that my parents have. And so she's a cat person. No, I want a kitten. They're cute. I would take a kitten. I want Stormy. Stormy's so cute. She's the little gray one. She's almost black. She's so dark gray. She's pretty. They could be best friends. Arabella and the adventures of Arabella and Stormy. Stormy the cat. Yes.
Okay, well, we probably should get going and get stuff done before we have to go to bed. So.
I know. I'm sorry I've sucked at vlogging. I've been the worst. I can't even think straight. I'm so tired.
Naps.
I know. Oh, that's true. They say when you have a new baby, you should sleep when they sleep. Look, she's like a parrot. She likes to climb on my shoulder. My little parrot baby. Isn't that funny?
Yes.
And she likes to eat my hair. That's the other fun thing she enjoys. It's very painful. Get on her about it.
Okay. Well, my arms are hurting.
Oh, okay. Vlogging muscles. Ooh la la. Alright.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
With puppies, get anything done.